Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial. So today we want to talk on how to download Adobe Photoshop. If you want to download Adobe Photoshop, just come to your Google browser and download Adobe Photoshop. Just come and download and search Adobe Photoshop. Then scroll. Now, if you want to download Adobe Photoshop for free, come here and say Adobe Photoshop for free. Now you will be taken here. On top right corner, we have red icon. So just come here, and then you will be asked the location. This depends with the location on your phone. So whether you are in Africa or United States. If you are in India, the green part will come India. That depends with the location on your phone. So just come, since I'm in Africa, just say Africa. Now, after that, we have Photoshop here, free for trial and save. Now, if you want Adobe Photoshop free for free, just come here, free for trial. Now, Adobe Photoshop have different packages. Adobe Photoshop have different packages. The first package we have for individual, business, and students. This depends with the ones you want to choose. Since you want it for individual, you'll just come here and say. Then before that we have free Photoshop for 14 days. You you'll have 14 days for your trial, and then you can cancel later or make payment if you want to go on with you go on using Photoshop. So you'll come here and say continue. So you have 7 days and another 7 days for trial. So you'll come here and say, since you want this Photoshop, you'll come here and say continue. Now, Photoshop, we are almost there. You will be told that after 7 days, you will have to pay $29.99 per month. But don't worry, I'll teach you how to do this. $29.99. You have 7 days free trial. 7 days free trial. Then after 7 days free trial, you'll have another 7 days, which make it 14 days. Then after that, you can make an attempt of doing what? Payment of 29.9 per month. That's your subscription. So since we want Photoshop for free, we'll come here and say continue. Now, Adobe Photoshop is being managed by Adobe Creative Cloud. Adobe Creative Cloud. Now, for you to do what? For you to enjoy using Adobe for free, you have to come here and sign Adobe Creative Cloud. So, Adobe Creative Cloud, you'll come here and sign in. Now, you have to sign in. Just put your email and password. And if you don't have Adobe Creative Cloud account, come here and say create account. You have to create account, but just this is similar. Put your password and put your email and password. So after you have put in your email and password, you'll have logged in the Adobe Creative account, which manages all the Adobe. After that, you'll find all the Adobe. You'll find all the Adobe. You'll find all the Adobe that you may need there, like these ones. Adobe Creative Cloud will bring you to a place like this. Now you have to choose which package which app did you wanted. You wanted Adobe Photoshop, you wanted Adobe Lightroom. We have all of them here. So just download the one you wanted to download and enjoy using Adobe for free. Thank you. If this video is helpful, kindly subscribe to this channel and make sure you comment if you find any challenge.